DEI leaders, we see you wrestling with spreadsheets that don't tell stories, hiring pipelines that leak talent, and engagement surveys that fade into the void. This pack arms you with customizable DEI metric builders using smart KPI frameworks, bias resistant job description templates with inclusive language scoring, interactive scenario based training modules for unconscious bias mitigation, and real time inclusion dashboards with sentiment analysis. For HR managers, inclusion strategists, and talent acquisition leads, no more guessing games. Let's turn good intentions into tracked progress. Here's what's inside the DEI Program Pack: data driven metric design with customizable SMART goals, inclusive hiring frameworks using structured interview guides and resume parsing algorithms, manager training modules with role play simulations for conflict resolution, workplace inclusion surveys with NLP powered sentiment tracking, progress dashboards with automated equity scorecards. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. Your DEI strategy just got a power up. Installing the DEI program pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add dei-program-pack. That's it. You'll get the full workflow: metric builders, hiring playbooks, training scenarios, and assessment tools, all synced to your workspace. Your next Claude Code session auto-loads the modules. Your AI assistant now understands terms like equity adjusted metrics and intersectional analysis. No 200-page manual, just actionable DEI magic. Ready, set, inclusive.